Family Middleweight Division. This fight is sponsored by Naked Boxer Briefs. Feel sexy, get naked. Shop online at nakedboxerbriefs.com. Introducing first man fighting out of the blue corner. This man stands 6 foot 4 inches tall, weighing in at 185 pounds. Fighting out of Comox Valley MMA and Fitness in Comox, BC. Please welcome Andrew Payne. His opponent, the man fighting out of the red corner. This man stands 6 foot 5 inches tall, weighing in at 184 pounds. With a record of 2 wins and 1 loss. Fighting out of West Coast Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and Mixed Martial Arts in Abbotsford, BC. Please welcome Jesse the Titan.
Light.
calls a stop to this fight. 1 minute, 24 seconds in the second round for your winner by referee stoppage due to strikes, Jesse the Titan Burns.